Hello traders, today's Thursday. I'm going to take a look at what the market is doing. I'm going to use TradingView, and I'm also going to use the Trade Scalper by DayTradeToWin. I'm going to come here to indicators. If you have the Trade Scalper or if you're part of our mentorship program, you should have a list here of DayTradeToWin indicators. We're going to choose the Trade Scalper by DayTradeToWin. As soon as you add the Trade Scalper, you're going to see the signals that are produced by the trading system. It's giving us long signals here earlier before the market opened or right as the market opened, and then we have another long signal here. Right now the market is on its way down, and let me just expand this out, and we have two back-to-back short signals. Now, as you know, I like to add multiple methods to tell me at least confirmation whether or not I should take any trade or any signal. So if you're a funded trader, if you're trading your own account, at least wait. You should see more than one signal or trade in the same direction. Now you could use the Sonic system, you can use the Trade Scalper, you can use the Atlas line. I'm going to add here the Atlas line just so you can see when you add multiple methods in a row what that would look like. So I'm adding here the Atlas line, should show up here in just a moment. And the Atlas line is now up on the chart, and you can see it's that line right there. I'm going to make that just a little bit thicker so everybody can see that. All right, now you can see it's that green line right there. And now you can see that since the price is below the Atlas line, it's telling us that we should focus on short trades. Now that coincides with the Trade Scalper. So now you have two methods that are telling you short, going short, taking short trades for the moment is the right thing to do. I have the confirmation on the Atlas line, and I have the confirmation on the Trade Scalper. If you're just using the Trade Scalper, this is what it looks like. Just the signals. The Atlas line is an extra method to make sure that you're on the right side. If you have any questions, if you'd like to get a free trial of the Trade Scalper software for TradingView or NinjaTrader, visit DayTradeToWin.com, sign up for a free member account. Let's make sure that you're trading correctly, especially the funded traders. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.